So here we are going to take the same problem, that is exercise number 14.1, question number 2. In the previous video we have seen using assume mean method. Now we are going to see using step deviation method. For doing step deviation method, we have the formula x is equals to a plus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi into h. We will see, we have seen what is a. Now what is h here? It is not the height, it is actually the class size, the size of this, that is 100 to 120, that means 20. So that will be the class size for it. Now here only one thing we have to focus, that is for ui. So let us see how to solve this. Daily wages I have written, that is class interval. Now number of worker, that is a frequency fi, that I will write it here, 8, 6 and 10. Then afterwards class mark, as I told you, class mark we have to write upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So here it will be 110, this will be 130, this will be 150, 170 and 190. Now as I told you in the previous video that how to get a will be the middle value of this xi. So here 5 values are there, so middle value will be this. What in case if there are 6 value? Here it is very easy to get a, that is leave the two upper xi and then the below 2 xi, that middle value will be the assume mean value. But what about if what if we have 6 values, then 3 upper and 3 lower, then which one will be the middle one? So we will consider the two middle ones. For example, if it is let us say 200 or 210, so if it is 210, then these two values will be there, and whichever number is greater, if this is a greater one, we will consider this. Okay, that will be a. So in that way we can find out. We have one more question in the exercise, we will see it afterwards. But for now, to make you understand how we will take a, so this will be the value of a. Now we have to find out ui. In case of di, we have used xi minus a, and now in ui xi minus a upon h, slightly changing the formula. But what is the easier method rather than using the formula? If you want to use, you can use the formula, but in case if you don't want to use, there is a easier way. In front of this assume value, write 0. This is very easier way, and that is why I told you in the previous video also, please use this step deviation method, which will be more easy for you to solve it very quickly. Here this will be 0, exactly the value in front of the assume mean value, that will be 0, and the upper value will be like minus 1, minus 2, if two more values are there, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on, and the downward minus 1, 1 and 2. In this way you can write it, rather instead of using this formula you can write this. If you use the formula, you will get these values only, okay, or slightly changing the values, but answer will be same. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this. Now we'll just calculate. This is your ui, this is fi. 12 2 are 24, minus 24, 14 1 are 14, minus 14, this will be 0, 6 1 are 6, 10 2 are 20. Now we have to calculate this. This will be again 8, 38, 26. We have to calculate this. 8 minus 6, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, and this minus sign will be there, so minus 12. So we got the summation as minus 12. This is the summation of fi ui. Now as I told you, this is 50 summation that is given in the question. Now just use the value and get the answer. Calculate it. A, what is a? That is 150 plus summation of fi ui upon fi. Summation of fi ui we have minus 12 upon 50 into h. What is h? H is the size. You can write it here 20. So h will be 20. So let us calculate this. 150, this 0 will get cancelled. 12 2 are 24, minus 240 divided by 5 is equals to 150 minus, this will give you 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20, 20 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 5 4s are 20, this 5s are 40. This will become, some mistake is there. Let's see what is that. So this is 20, 0 0 cancel, yes. You can multiply this 12 2s are 24 minus 24 upon 5 is equals to 150 plus this will become again 4.8 and this is minus, so 150 plus minus minus 4.8 145.20, this will be your final mean. So this is the easier way. If you go for calculation, you will get the correct answer, don't worry about it, but again this is the easier way, so you use this and get the correct answer. In the previous video we have seen the same answer but with the assuming method, now with the step deviation method. Thank you.